All right, guys, tonight's dinner is once again this oven bake kit with the butternut squash pasta. We have a little family get together tonight, so I'm making a quick dinner and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Didn't watch my last video, these are from Sam's. Like the whole kit is from Sam's and it's really like quick and easy. The only thing is that if like you have a bigger family, you might need two because this is it. This is the portion. Yeah, tonight it's only 3 of us eating and then I'm just gonna do like a Caesar salad on the side. And you have your little packet of sauce. Throw the sauce in there. I like it because the tray that it comes with is small, so it fits in my toaster oven and I don't have to like use the whole oven, you know? All right, so it's going in at 375 for 10 minutes. All right, while the pasta cooks, let me show you guys my outfit. I'm just wearing this little dress. It's like a really super comfy dress and I love that it has pockets from Target. And then my little sandals that I'm always in from TJ Maxx. And then I just have this little Victoria's Secret crossbody that I wear everywhere and I love the pink and the blue. I think it's so cute. But yeah, guys, that's my outfit. Let's go back to the kitchen. All right, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna mix it up, top it with cheese, and it's gonna go back in until the cheese is melted. Mix it up. Cheese goes over the top. I said it last time, the pack brings a lot of cheese, which I love. And then I just made one of those like Caesar salad kits, also from Sam's, and then I'll just put the dressing when we're ready to eat. Okay, this is how it turns out. I have the pasta, my salad, and if I had bread, I said it last time, if I had bread, this would be amazing to dip in that sauce. I put it back in the oven for my husband. But yeah, that's my dinner.